Hey there, hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Java GUI project into an executable file that can be run on any Windows computer. And for this example, I'm going to use this calculator project. And if you want to learn how to create this exact calculator, I have a tutorial on my YouTube channel on how to do so, and I'll link it in the video description below. So for this tutorial, I'll be using Visual Studio Code, and you should have Java set up for Visual Studio Code. And if you don't, I also have a video tutorial on how to do so, and I'll link it in the video description below. But once you set up Java for Visual Studio Code, you'll notice that on the left side, where the sidebar is, on the very bottom, we have Java projects. Just click on it to expand it. And the first thing we need to do is convert our Java program into a jar file. And to do that, all we need to do is click this button, Export Jar. And then select the main class. For me, it is app. Alright, and then you'll see this message once you've created the jar file. And we can collapse this. And you can see I have my jar file over here. And in my project folder, I have the jar file over here. And I can double click on it to run it. And I have my project. Now, the next thing we need to do is convert this jar file into an executable, because with a jar file, the user will still need to install Java to run it. So to convert the jar file to an executable file, we're going to use this tool called launch4j, and you can access this tool by going to launch4j.sourceforge.net and just go to the left side and click downloads. And then on this website, just click on the download button. Once you download the installer, just open it up, click next, click I agree, and then click install. And then make sure that this is checked, and then just click finish to launch the program. Alright, so the program should look something like this. First, make sure you have the JRE set. So here I have my JRE path, and this is going to be the path to your JDK. If you install Java successfully on vscode, then this should probably be picked up by the program. Now go back to basic, and over here, we're going to find the jar file. And you can click the button to search for it, but what you can also do is just go to Visual Studio Code. Over here, you can see I have my jar file, and I can right click and just click copy path. And I'm going to paste it here. And for the output file, we're going to paste the same thing, except change the extension from .jar to .exe. Now, there's an icon option, and you don't have to provide one, but if you do have an icon, you can add it here. I do have an icon called calculator icon, so I'm just going to copy this path and paste it here, and I'm going to add /calculatoricon.ico. And if you want to create your own icon, all you need to do is go to this website and just upload an image, and it will convert that image to an ICO file. Alright, so I have my icon file, and I have my jar file and the executable file. So now I'm just going to click on this gear icon. And when it's doing the conversion from jar to exe file, it's going to create this XML file. So you can name it whatever you want. I'll name it calculator. You're not going to need this file anyway, so you can name it whatever you want. So I'm just going to click save, and there you go. You can see it has successfully created this exe file. And you can also see it in the sidebar of Visual Studio Code. And in my project folder, you can also find it here. So this is the calculator.exe, and I can double click on it to open it. And here we have our project. Alright, so that's how you can convert your Java project into an exe file so that you can share it with others to run on their Windows computer. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a like. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. And as always, if you want to stay up to date for more tutorials like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.